Welcome to June Homes 02113, a vibrant student stay designed with contemporary taste and luxurious convenience to give you easy access to campus and Boston's charm. Choose from a selection of handsome studios, en-suites and non-en-suites to enjoy the privacy of having your own room. Based on the unit you choose, your new home can feature a cozy bed for dreamy sleeps and a flat-screen TV to elevate your movie nights into a cinematic experience. Additionally, with warp-speed Wi-Fi and on-site laundry available, you can stay connected at all times and avoid time-consuming trips to the laundromat. And check this out! Suffolk University and University of Massachusetts Boston are just moments away on foot, so getting to campus is effortless. Plus, with the buses on North Washington Street and Causeway Street right down the road, you can cruise through the Big Apple with unparalleled ease. Snag your corner for an unforgettable university experience in June Homes 02113 Boston. Visit amberstudent.com now.